Today, we've got some exciting news for all the Android enthusiasts out there. The Android 15 update is just around the corner, and it's packed with amazing features that you won't want to miss. Plus, we'll be diving into what Samsung has in store with their One UI 7.0 update. So let's get started. Google has just released the Android 15 Beta 4 update to eligible Pixel phones and tablets. This is a big deal because it means the new version of Android has reached platform stability. In simple terms, this means that all the main features and APIs are set in stone, and developers can now confidently build and optimize their apps around these new capabilities. With this update, Samsung can now accelerate the development of One UI 7.0 for Galaxy phones and tablets, ensuring that their devices will be ready to roll out with all the latest features of Android 15. So what's new in Android 15? Well, there's a lot to talk about. Firstly, Google has removed PNG-based emoji font files, fully transitioning to vector-based files. This change was gradually introduced starting with Android 13. That's just the beginning. Android 15 introduces a bunch of cool features like predictive back animations, which will make navigating your device even smoother. There's also low light boost, which enhances the brightness and quality of images in low light conditions, making those nighttime selfies even better. For those using Chinese, Japanese, and Korean languages, there's a new variable font file that improves text rendering. Another exciting feature is partial screen recording, allowing apps to know when they're being recorded, adding a layer of security and transparency. App developers are also getting some love with Android 15. They can now link specific views like username or password fields with credential manager requests, offering a more customized sign-in experience. Widgets are also getting an upgrade, with live content previews right from the widget picker screen if you're signed into the app. One of the standout features of Android 15 is native support for satellite connectivity. This means that in areas with no cellular network, you'll still be able to make calls and send messages. It's a game changer for emergencies and remote areas. For camera enthusiasts, Android 15 offers more control over camera hardware, including enhanced images and a brighter viewfinder in low light conditions. Audio features aren't left out either. There's improved support for Bluetooth Auracast-based audio casts and a high-quality webcam mode for supported phones. Plus, the volume control panel is now collapsible, and there's better support for managing loudness and color contrast settings. Foldable phone users rejoice. Android 15 enhances app continuity, making the switch between the main screen and cover screen seamless. There's also a persistent taskbar for large-screen devices like foldable phones and tablets, and native support for app pairs, allowing you to use two apps side by side effortlessly. The Health Connect system, co-developed by Google and Samsung, now supports skin temperature monitoring and training plans, offering better health and fitness tracking. Also, Bluetooth now turns on automatically the day after you turn it off, which can be cool. So that's what's coming with Android 15 and Samsung's One UI 7.0. From enhanced emojis to satellite connectivity, partial screen recording, and more, Android 15 is shaping up to be a fantastic update. And with Samsung's One UI 7.0 bringing smoother animations, new icons, and improved continuity features, Galaxy users have a lot to look forward to. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on the new Android 15 features and Samsung's One UI 7.0? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Young also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.